Welcome back. Today, we will explore the world of cryptocurrencies, an innovative form of digital currency that is changing the way we think about money and finance. If you're curious about how cryptocurrencies work and how to use them, stay with us. Let's start from the beginning. What are cryptocurrencies actually? Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that are based on blockchain technology, a decentralized distributed ledger that records transactions securely. The most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are many others, such as Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, etc. Cryptocurrencies operate using blockchain technology. When a transaction is executed, it is recorded on a block of data which is then linked to the previous block, forming a chain of chains of blocks, hence the name blockchain. This technology ensures transparency, security, and irreversibility of transactions. How to use cryptocurrencies? Here are the basic steps. Choose a wallet. The first step is to choose a crypto wallet that will allow you to store, receive, and send cryptocurrencies. There are different types of wallets, including online, hardware, mobile, and paper wallets. Buying cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies can be bought on exchanges that allow trading cryptocurrencies for traditional currencies like dollars or euros. After you buy cryptocurrency, you can store it in your wallet. Using cryptocurrencies. Once you have cryptocurrency in your wallet, you can use it for various purposes, including purchasing goods and services, trading on cryptocurrency markets, or sending money to other users. Cryptocurrencies are a revolutionary form of digital currency that offers a new way of thinking about money and finance. As blockchain technology continues to develop, we expect cryptocurrencies to become more prevalent in our everyday life. If you want to explore more, be sure to explore different cryptocurrencies and study the opportunities they offer.